Abraham, resist. Resist, Ama. Okay. Down here.
Abdullah, Amal. అన్న ఇంటికి రా ఇంటికి రా
क्या वोटिंग परसेंट रहेगा तेलंगाना में?
होना चाहिए 65-70% तो मिनिमम होना चाहिए।
और आपने कहा था कि इलेक्शन रिजल्ट के बाद जो रीजनल पार्टियां हैं उसका जो रोल है वो बढ़ जाएगा चुनाव में, क्या अभी आप अपने स्टेटमेंट पे कायम हैं?
बिल्कुल एकदम आप देख लीजिए वही स्थिति उभर रही है पूरे देश में। इसमें कोई शक नहीं।
There is a narrative being built now that Modi will not be the next Prime Minister. If there is Congress-led India bloc forming the government, will you join hands with them, sir?
नहीं, according to the BJP's own rule prescribed by themselves, after 75 years nobody will take up any position. Accordingly, Mr. Modi has to step down. It is quite possible. It is up to the BJP people to think.
Sir, will you join hands with the India bloc in the days to come?
There is nothing like a bloc, I am telling you. There is nothing like a bloc. Now regional parties will be the power in India.